Today, we're going to show you how to create your very own custom calendar in Google Sheets. Perfect for planning your work, tracking habits, or just staying on top of your schedule. Let's get into it and make planning your days a breeze. Step 1. Open Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and selecting a new blank spreadsheet. Step 2. Set up your days and dates. Type the days of the week across the top row, starting from cell B1. Then, enter the dates under each corresponding day. Step 3. Format your calendar. Adjust the column widths and row heights to give your calendar a clean look. You can also add color to the headers for a visual pop. Step 4. Add your events. Click on a cell corresponding to a date and type in your event or task. You can use different text colors or highlights to categorize your events. Step 5. Customize. Further, utilize conditional formatting to automatically change cell colors based on the date or event type. This step is optional but adds a great visual cue to your calendar. Step 6. Share or print. Once you're satisfied with your calendar, you can share it with others or print it out for a physical copy. And there you have it, a personalized calendar made straight from Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more organizational hacks.